clear of radiation. That's the Hulk, guys. Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy, Jack 9000. This is the official day 2. It's like day 3, but like this is the official day 2 of the vlog, of me being here for the vlog. Anyways, we're on our way to Orlando right now. This guy here, we're headed out there. We're about to go out there and handle some business. And by the way, this is what it looks like when 2 big motherfuckers,
a small ass car,
get into a tiny ass car. It looks, I mean, like there's just, it's one of these like little tiny ass smart cars or some shit. But yeah, man, we're up here and you know what I'm saying, we're about to hit Orlando Studios. I'll be sure to get lots of pictures and videos. Just check my Instagram, guys, and also my Facebook for pictures and everything. I'm gonna try to take some personal pictures for myself. But yeah, guys, so I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we finally made it here. It took forever, but yeah, we're here. It actually didn't take forever. I'm tripping. Anyways, there it is, guys. What did it say on the sign there? Universal Resort. Yes.
Of course, parking is free after 6.
Oh yeah, because there's not very much time left. Alright guys, your boys have made it to Universal Studios.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man, we're sitting here, we're relaxing, chillaxing, enjoying life. Don't worry about what's in the cup. Anyways, my boy's burning up. You know, us bigger guys get a little bit hotter quicker. But yeah, I'm gonna film us going in there. I'm just gonna hold the camera. You won't see my pretty face, but you'll be able to see in front. You'll pretty much see what I see, so let's do this. Going down the river of Rohan. Oh yeah.
I'm taking the hobbits to Isengard.
What?
Taking the hobbits to Isengard.
Yeah, man. Is that Lord of the Rings?
Yep. Well, I've seen some Lord. I didn't watch the new ones.
Hey, give me a flavor and hold my water real quick.
A flavor? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I haven't seen the Hobbit movies, but I've seen the Lord of the Rings ones. I like the second one the best of all of them.
The Hobbit? Oh yeah, I love The Hobbit.
I haven't seen any of the Hobbit movies. I've seen Destination Small.
Oh yeah, you just wanted to see the dragon die, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nigga was talking all that shit. So do we want to be lazy and take the escalator or?
Yep.
Okay. Well, like if you were walking along there, I could be like moonwalking like this the whole time, but I'm not really.
So yeah, Jack, have you speed walking with? You haven't been to Universal Studios in about 4 years. You feel like I'm at the airport.
Right. On our way, guys, to Universal. It's hot as a motherfucker right here on this damn escalator. Jesus. You look like you're dying, sir. Look at that. NBC photo booth. See, this is why I wanted money, because I want to do all that shit. You know what this reminds me of real quick, Trey? This reminds me of...
An airport.
No, this reminds me of Jurassic World.
Oh yeah.
Like the movie. Fresh Eats. At least they got nice and... Where?
Bending over and shit.
Let me check out the... Is this a trash? We gotta check in, guys. See you in a minute. So we're waiting on No Chill to come back. He has disappeared. Okay, I don't know where the freak he's at. We're about to go on Universal Studios real quick as soon as he comes back, so we'll get some more footage. Excuse us. Alright guys, so we're on the escalator. I'm still moving, but not moving. You, right here. So we're going over, I'll give you guys a good shot. There. Now. We're still moving.
Please watch your step. The moving walkway exit is approaching.
Alright guys, so we're about to go to the attraction section. But you guys want some bubblegum shrimp? Bubblegum shrimp. Man, I feel like I was walking still, like after I got off of that. Now we're going to Islands of Adventure. Hey, hold on a second though. Jesus, that thing throws me off each time. Shit. We're on our way right now. How you feeling, Mr. Trey?
I saw this hill. Happy as hell. I might get laid here.
Oh, please. Slide through, please. Most definitely.
Yeah, they were here for fat little day.
People don't care, man, because people be out here recording too, so they don't really. How are those people walking and almost catching up to us? And we're walking / being pushed forward. Like when you get off, you feel like you're still. Okay, wait.
Well, let me start recording too.
I feel the rain. Do you feel it?
The rain ain't gonna stop me.
However, it will stop my camera.
What up, y'all? Told you that. Yeah, they got a movie theater here.
Yeah. Spider-Man.
What's up? Hold up.
Spider-Man Far From Home.
You got Jackknife.
That's right. The Blue Men. That one just looks freaky. I'm sorry. They all look freaky.
You don't take your Steve Wilkos, Cal Ripken Jr. blue balls inside of a toilet bowl cleaner looking nasty. Hell, I'm not that happening.
Man, I gotta do 2 shits. Alright, here we guys are. We are next to the globe, as you guys can see here, Universal Globe. I got my hat forward. I usually don't wear it forward. You know, I try to be cool. Wear my shit backwards to the side, whatever, but it's just too hot for that. I thought that was mist. Bitch, it's not mist. It's literally just fake smoke, so there's no mist over here. Tomfoolery at its finest, my friends. Let's go inside.
Freaking hot out here.
Indeed.
I actually don't mind a little bit of rain. Or at least a rain cloud.
Let's go through the handicap line. We're handicapped. Alright, I guess this line starts here, right? Or are you in that line?
Yeah, we got our tickets, so just gotta scan it and that's it.
Alright guys, we made it inside. It's hot as hell out here. Trey is just dying. He's dead.
Yeah.
He's dead on the inside. Let's get a whiff of that bubble right there. Just hit me in the throat. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna flip the camera here in a second so you guys can get a look of what it looks like in here. It's super awesome. Super awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You're the man, man. All right. Skip the regular line with the Universal Express Pass. Too bad they don't upgrade your regular ticket into an upgrade, you know, pass. It's stupid. Island Exports. Oh, it's just so hot outside. I had to come inside for a second. It's really hot. Baby girl, just saying. Trey. Trey, he was checking me out when I did that. He was like, yeah, I see you play over here, son. I literally just walked through here to get the cool air. Just saying, hope that's cool, man. Fire brigade, moving closer to water. I'm gonna get a couple of pictures, guys. That's the Hulk right there. That's the Hulk ride. Look at this fucking bootleg kid in play in front of us. If you don't get your tarantula head having ass show, bootleg kid having ass show. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed looking ass. Crescent moon. Don't you hate that when your phone's acting dumb? That's the Hulk move. That's the Hulk right there. Ride. You sure you don't want to ride that? Yep. That's the Hulk, man.
Year-longs, Hulk mutations rising rapidly. Enjoy the
You know what that is over there? You can see it from here. You know what that is? Jurassic Park.
I just blocked somebody from commenting. They're pretty good. Oh shit, the Marvel lands right over there. We'll hit that one first.
I kind of want to hit the Jurassic Park ride first because
Gotta cut through one of them to get to it. It's right in the middle.
Go this way.
Right, it's right in the center. It can cut through either one. You can see it right there. It's gonna cut through one of them.
It's only an 85-minute wait.
What, the Spider-Man?
No.
The Hulk?
Oh, Cat in the Hat's only 5 minutes. Fantastic Four Cafe. Look at that, clear of radiation. That's the Hulk, guys.